Hi everyone, AJ Gigler with SCRAM Systems here. Today we're talking about the SCRAM Remote Breath device, and more specifically, GPS tracking with breath testing. Now, since the mobile evolution of breath testing came onto the market, it was important that GPS locations were provided when somebody blew positive for alcohol. Now, there's obvious reasons why you'd want to know where somebody is if they're drinking. Talking to courts and agencies, we find that more often than not, they're chasing down missed test alerts. This means they've assigned scheduled times for clients to take breath tests and they simply didn't take them. Or they left the device somewhere, or they didn't have it charged. And often when officers call to follow up on these events, they have little or no information to substantiate someone's claim as to why they didn't take the test. So SCRAM System decided it was just as important to apply GPS locations on not only the passed tests, the failed tests, but the missed tests as well. Let's take a look at SCRAMnet and see how easy it is to find a GPS location on a missed test. Opening up this missed test alert, by simply clicking View Location, I can see the precise GPS location of the device at the time of the missed test. Now, when officers call clients and ask, "Why didn't you take your test?" they can't easily say it's not charged or I left it at work, because SCRAM Remote Breath will tell them not only the location of the device, but that it was fully powered and it had cell reception. Recently, a large state agency contacted us to report a lost or missing device. They said their client had absconded and left the state and they likely wouldn't be able to recover the system. When we reminded them that SCRAM Remote Breath takes GPS on passed, failed, and missed tests, they went back and looked at the last 4 scheduled tests that the client hadn't taken. Surprisingly, the GPS plotted the device at a truck stop over 600 miles away, and not only found the remote breath system, but the client himself, who was apprehended and taken back into custody. For more information on how SCRAM Remote Breath can provide greater accountability for your alcohol monitoring clients, contact SCRAM Systems today.